negotiation is definitely at the basis of every communication.
It's something that people do every day, all day long, but they don't do it with finesse or with skill. And this program tries to help people look at those areas with greater intelligence, I think.
One of the most frequently asked questions I get is, what can I do with this degree after I graduate? I like to answer this in saying that people have two choices. One is you can go into the field of conflict resolution. You become a mediator, you become an arbitrator, you do training in conflict resolution, negotiation skills, or anything else in life. Because in our interpersonal situations, in our work environments, and maybe in our organizations, there are situations that we need to have better conflict resolution skills, better communication skills.
So this has enhanced, enriched me as I speak to people, as I mediate, as I work in teams, both as a leader and as a part of a team.
Having a background in journalism, I was able to really apply the skills I developed in that career.
People outside of the realm of conflict resolution are starting to understand just the value of the skills that are being brought from the program. The skills that we teach in the program are skills that can be applied broadly in law, business, all the way to a village in sub-Saharan Africa NGO context.
We're working now to develop new fieldwork opportunities. We just launched an international fieldwork course in conflict resolution and peace building in South Africa to provide students with an opportunity to take what they've learned in the classroom and apply it to the field.
It's been very helpful to know the theory, to have a name for elementary things that we take for granted, the way we interact with people.
We try to give them a set of tools that allows them to ask the right questions and then use specific methodologies that are appropriate to answer those questions.
So it's a combination of being creative and having a stockpile of useful techniques that you can use in any situation.
Self-analysis, self-awareness has been one of the greatest challenges of this program.
I don't think a lot of people step back and actually think, what is my role in the situation? So for me, that's been very helpful.
Having the framework to understand myself is critical to helping to resolve whatever the situation might be.
People talk about the role of empathy, and that's absolutely important.
It means trying to understand the other side, the way you understand yourself. It isn't just holding on to what it is you want. People have to walk away from the table feeling as though they're leaving the room better than when they came in.
This program is very unique in the fact that the director has brought in this interdisciplinary approach.
Being at Columbia, that offers the opportunity to meet people from different backgrounds and different professions. And when we talk about conflict, they're bringing a different perspective. And that doesn't just enrich them, it enriches the program.
I think we have some of the best minds, phenomenal people from around the world, people who are making a difference at the ground level, at the policy level.
Knowing that the professors are practitioners, that really actually does help in looking at the practicality of the program.
If the person goes full-time, then they can ambitiously complete the program in 3 semesters, and it is all on campus. Classes are held in the evening and or on weekends. Our more theoretical courses are held on a weekly basis in the evening. Our classes that are more experiential have a combination of some evenings with weekends so people can have a much more intensive experience. In terms of the student body, I would say it's anybody from 1 or 2 years out of undergraduate school to maybe somebody who's 60 years old reinventing himself or herself for the 3rd time in a new career. Columbia University is just thriving. We work together as a consortium. We try to model collaboration, which is what we espouse, so we'd like to walk our talk.
Columbia is a combination of outstanding theory, practical academic research on the ground, one of the great research universities in the world, and it happens to be in New York City, which is arguably the greatest laboratory in the world for social science.
I would recommend this program because the skills that mid-careerists especially are able to gain are invaluable personally and can prove to be such professionally.
When you graduate the program, it doesn't mean you've conquered conflict, that you can check it off your list. It means you're better equipped to deal with conflict and better equipped to help others deal with conflict as well.